Quickly turn your finished CAM file into an NC-Simul G-code certification file using the built-in interface. See how NC-Simul and TopSolid work together to bring real-time simulation, smart validation, and production-ready optimization straight into your CNC workflow. This isn't only about exporting a file or checking toolpaths, it's about unlocking a smarter manufacturing process. Whether you're an NC programmer, shop floor technician, or production manager, this interface helps you minimize machine downtime, catch costly collisions early, and get your parts out the door faster. With just a few clicks, your TopSolid machining project becomes a live NC-Simul simulation, transferring all parts, stocks, tools, tool holders, work holding, offsets, and post-process G-code. This means you are verifying the final setup while repurposing all previous work efforts. Take out the guesswork of program machine behaviors and recapture time previously squandered during on-machine prove-outs. You're seeing a one-to-one simulation on a digital twin before the program hits the shop floor. NC-Simul is here to provide you with true G-code certification, air cutting, and in-material optimization, documentation creation, and more to complement the process between TopSolid and a perfectly machined part.